Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. In this video I'll show you how to get a really good killer system that has really good high performance, really good value, and it will be able to please your girlfriend or wife or whatever that you have. You could even be a woman watching this and just want this good looking system for yourself. So it's pretty simple. This is one of the best systems that I've heard that is not a full audio note system. It is the audio note M3 signature preamplifier, and we have the Bob Carver monoblocks, and then the Verity Sarastro. This is how they look. And you can get this Verity speaker in all kinds of colors. I like it in piano black, but it also has other really cool colors. It all just looks fantastically good. And if you can try and get the M3 phono signature, that would be even better. What's so great about this combination is that you have almost the highest level of detail retrieval, but it's still relatively forgiving. So you could actually run a normal CD player on this and have it sound pretty good. You could also have a pretty decent LP player without it being the best and still sounding pretty good. So you've got like that optimal balance between very forgiving and still extremely very revealing, and you're able to work with the system going in this and that direction. So just an awesome system. And when you think about it, when you really break it down, there isn't really a lot of money going to waste. I mean, the speaker in itself costs like 60k US dollars, and used, I think it's about 15k. You can if you're really lucky, you could maybe get a Verity Sarastro 2 speaker that's only 10k. And I mean, Bob Carver monoblocks for 5k, that's just ridiculous. You know, it's ridiculous amount of good value that you've got there. I mean, Bob Carver also makes some pretty decent newer models, but as far as I know, they're not quite as good value-wise, even though some of the newer ones probably are a tiny bit better. I haven't heard the latest ones, but and here, you know, Audio Note M3 signature, that is basically the best value top end preamplifier in the world. So let's just say that you've got another system that you want to work really well and you need a good preamplifier. Just, you know, that's almost like a given that you choose this preamplifier. So yeah, I've heard this system a couple of times at friends' places, and it has just really amazed me how many times they have been able to get different types of high quality sound. And let's just say you can't get the Sarastro, then the Martin design is in some regards actually a better speaker, and then for only half the price, half of 15, you know. So also an awesome alternative, and also looks really darn good. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys, because there are a lot of interesting expensive speakers in the world, but I would say that this is probably one of the best value speakers ever that you could come across. So yeah, if you ever get the chance to get into that situation and listen to Verity Sarastro speaker, or even the smaller model Amadis, also a fantastic good speaker, just doesn't have quite that ribbon effect at the top end, which is kind of amazing in itself, because it's just so darn fast and deep in a different way. Go and try that if that's possible. That's all for now, and I'm logging out, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye.